In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Canva. First, simply click on the text that you want to change. You will see a purple box appear around it, which means it's ready to be edited. To change what the text says, just double-click inside the box and change it to whatever you want. If you want to change the font style, you can go to the font style menu in the top toolbar and choose the font style from all of these options. To make the text bigger or smaller, you can change the font size here. Just use this plus and minus button to increase or decrease the size. Or you can simply drag the corners of the text box like this. To change the text color, just click this text color option in the top toolbar and pick any color you like. If you don't want any of this color, you can also add a new color by clicking this plus icon and use these color pickers or type in a hex code if you have one. You can also make the text bold, italic, or underlined. Another thing that you can do is to add effects and animation to this text. To add effects, just click this effects option, then use the effects from all of these options. And to animate the text, just click this and choose the animation. So that's how to edit text in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.